Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor.
We're really happy to have you here today.
On this channel, we help you learn real, simple, and practical English that you can use in your daily life.
Today's topic is very important for the new generation.
Our topic is how smartphones affect our daily life.
This lesson will help you learn English and also help you improve your daily habits.
So relax, listen carefully, and let's begin.
Let's start with some useful words. These words are very common in modern life.
Listen and repeat slowly. Smartphone, a mobile phone with internet and apps. Screen time, time spent using a phone or screen. Focus, the ability to concentrate. Distraction, something that takes your attention away. Habit, something you do regularly.
Productive, doing useful work. Addiction, when you cannot stop using something. Balance, using something in a healthy way. Break, a short rest. Mental health, how we feel in our mind.
Try to use these words in your daily English.
Today, smartphones are part of our life. We use them every day.
We wake up and check our phone. We scroll social media. We watch videos.
Phones help us a lot. They help us learn. They help us connect with people.
But too much phone use can be harmful.
Meet Ali. Ali is a college student.
Ali is smart and hardworking, but he has one problem.
He uses his phone too much.
Ali wakes up in the morning. He checks his phone for messages. Then he checks social media.
10 minutes become 30 minutes. 30 minutes become 1 hour.
Ali feels late. He feels stressed.
In class, Ali wants to study.
But his phone vibrates. A notification appears.
Ali checks his phone again.
His focus breaks. He misses important points.
This happens to many students today.
In the evening, Ali plans to study English.
But he opens YouTube. One video becomes many videos.
Time passes quickly.
Ali feels tired, but he learns nothing.
One day, Ali decides to change.
He wants a better routine.
He makes some simple rules.
Rule 1. No phone for 1 hour after waking up.
Rule 2. Phone on silent while studying.
Rule 3. Use phone for learning, not only entertainment.
Slowly, Ali feels better.
He can focus more.
He studies better.
He feels calm and confident.
Smartphones are not bad.
But we must use them wisely.
Technology should help us, not control us.
Let's practice some simple English sentences. Repeat after me.
I use my phone wisely.
I control my screen time.
I focus on my goals.
I use technology to learn English.
Very good. Practice these sentences daily.
Small changes can improve your life.
This lesson was for the new generation.
Learn English, improve your habits.
Remember, real English is simple English.
Keep listening. Keep practicing.
Now let's learn some useful English sentences related to smartphones.
These sentences are very helpful for daily conversation.
I spend too much time on my phone.
I need to reduce my screen time.
My phone distracts me from my studies.
I use my phone for learning English.
Technology should support our life.
We should not depend too much on our phones.
Now let's think together.
These questions are for you.
How many hours do you use your phone every day?
Do you feel distracted because of your phone?
Do you use your phone more for learning or entertainment?
What is one habit you want to change from today?
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor.
Your support motivates us to create more helpful English lessons.
Write your answers in the comments.
Tell us, how do you control your phone usage?
Also tell us, what topic do you want next?
This lesson was made for the new generation.
Learn English. Improve your lifestyle.
Remember, real English is simple English.
Keep listening. Keep practicing.
See you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning.